All right guys, so we have made it to Samsonite head office and we're in search of a replacement part to help fix our suitcase. So stay tuned, let's see and go inside and find out if they can fix my bag. All right guys, so it's been absolutely amazing. We have finished up here at Samsonite and they've been able to fix my two beloved bags. Now, normally when you buy a bag, you buy into expecting the bag to last quite a long time. But airlines have different mentality to that. So a lot of people end up buying bags that they just class as disposable bags. They're going to throw them out. The main thing is if you buy a bag from a brand that has after-sales support, such as spare parts, and even just the know-how to repair the bags, you can actually end up getting more life out of your bag. This bag here has done over 500 flights. I've had it since, well, probably 6-7 years now. And the great part about it is the handle I had broken, which you saw before. They were able to install the handle, they opened it up, they did everything that they needed to do to quickly replace the handle. They had the parts in stock, and now we've got a fresh handle ready for another 500 flights worth of adventure. Now this bag or suitcase you didn't see before, and this is an Oct2 Lite. So this one's an Octo Lite, the first generation. This is the Oct2 Lite, and the Oct2 Lite itself, I had American Airlines actually break my bag. As you can still see, that was the last flight that it was on. And what they ended up doing was crushing the inside where the handle was already collapsed and tucked away, which meant I couldn't use the handle, but the rest of the bag was fine. So they've also managed to install a handle for me to get me underway and to make sure that this is all good to go. We're going to put up the pricing. So both of these repairs were done for under $100 on each bag. And considering these bags can range anywhere from $200 and upwards per bag, sometimes as much as $500 or $600 depending on the size and when you buy them, that's actually a fantastic thing to just give your bag a little bit more life. So if you're considering buying luggage and a suitcase in particular, I highly recommend you reach out to the team at Samsonite, look at the website, have a look in the stores at the bags, because you might pay a little bit more up front, but you'll have a bag that you can repair should something bad happen long term. And if you have a look at this bag, this has literally done over 500 flights. It's been carried through cobblestone roads, it's been tugged through expos and fairs, gone literally everywhere and anywhere with me. It's been thrown up and down stairs and stairwells so that I didn't have to carry it up and down, as has this one. So to be able to have that, and really the only thing to repair is something that I broke out of me not putting thought into how I was treating the bag, and this one into an airline and how they've mistreated the bag. I think that's fantastic. So make sure you check out the full range for Samsonite, and we'll catch you on the next video.